Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. This is before the Liberation Day. I've just done a very important video. I'll give you the links to it in a moment about Lucid taking Tesla's customers, and they're taking them really well because they're an all-made American car, a lot less tariffs than Tesla. Plus, it's a better car than a Tesla. It always has been. We always known that, but Tesla's got the mass production, but now ramping up very quickly. Now they've got rid of the robbing Peter Rawlinson, who paid himself all the money. Now you've got a stock price at a couple of bucks, and it's way less expensive. Still expensive, mind, but way less than Tesla. And I've got this news here, just out from Wells Fargo. Do you want the news? Just come out a few seconds ago. I pay for all this premium services to bring you the news before you even hear about it. I have pro plans for everything to bring you the best news so you don't have to pay for it. But if you do want my services, all the links are below. This is Seeking Alpha Pro and all the rest of it. But look at this. Just got this news out for you. This is Wells Fargo, just out a few moments ago, warns Tesla could fall 50% after deliveries. 50%, and we're already down so much. I mean, consider that. Consider this for a moment. Just think about that. We're already down here 30% and down another 50%. I mean, that's it. If Tesla goes down 50%, that's a really, really, really bad day. And that could happen. And Lucid would lap it up. You'd see Lucid shoot up. I've done the full review on Lucid. You can go and check that in a minute. I'll give it to you. But really, watch this news first. This is Wells Fargo warning Tesla could fall 50%. Earnings and the Cybercab rollout, they're all going to disappoint. No one's buying Teslas in Europe. No one's buying them in the UK. No one's buying them in Norway. No one's buying them in Canada, Sweden, you name it. And now we've got people in the US also firebombing Teslas as well. This is really, really bad for Teslas. People are ignoring it. They keep going, it's okay. It's not okay. It's not okay. And Lucid, remember, are all-American brand. Tesla aren't. So not only going to get a cheaper price without the tariffs, incredible that Trump has done this to Elon when you think about it. But there you go. And then you've also got tax incentive to buy a Lucid because they're all-American. Think about that for a minute. Anyway, Wells Fargo warns Tesla could fall 50% after the earnings and deliveries. We'll cover it all live, of course. Wells Fargo doubles down on its negative view of Tesla. On Tuesday, Analyst Colin Langan and his team continue to model for delivery growth declines and expect price cuts to hit the company's margins. Absolutely. Anyone who thinks that deliveries are going to be up, you are living in cloud cuckoo land. I mean, we're just talking facts, folks. You can see it all over the world. The EV stock was added to Wells Fargo Tactical Ideas list due for the potential for a sharp share price slide. I mean, this is going to be huge. And not good for the S&P either. As EV adoption flattens in the US and EU and competition heats up in China, we see intermediate levels intermediate levers to pull to increase volumes, warned Langan. He also reminded investors that second half headwinds include the 7.5 thousand IRA EV buyer tax credit likely being cut. Notably, Tesla's earnings per share tally is seen falling 25% year over year in 2025. Wells Fargo also skeptical on a safe and successful Austin Cybercab launch, given limited unsupervised testing and the EV giant's vision-only approach. Langan said experts believe Tesla's autonomous vehicle technology comes with considerable safety concerns. Anything short of a deployed fleet ride-hailing paying customers by this June will likely be seen as disappointing, he warned. No doubt about that. Wells Fargo's price target on underweight related Tesla for 130 represents more than 50% downside from the current share price of 276. We've told you that Tesla's price could go down to $100. If that happens, Lucid will explode. I'm going to give you the link to that in a minute. You cannot afford to miss that review. Really, go and check that out. The 52-week high for Tesla is 488, and the low mark was 138. Shares broke 6.2 to higher on Tuesday to cut into the large year-to-date decline. Okay, now there is my information on Tesla. Need to really think about this now, folks. Go and check out my Lucid video, and I think you'll be quite surprised. Tomorrow we've got the big day, of course. It's Liberation Day. We're going to be there for that. Don't miss that. It's going to be potentially the biggest day on the market for 40 years. I'm going to be up all day, and as I'm making this, I keep warning everyone throughout the day. Look at this short squeeze starting to occur here for Virgin Galactic at the very bottom of that dip there. At the very bottom, I got on the phone and called the biggest retail investors in the world, and they were buying as I'm on the phone to them. Just telling you this. It's just another little side note. So during this video, I told you about the Virgin Galactic short squeeze, Lucid. Prepare for the earnings tomorrow, and Soundhound. There's other big news breaking at the moment. Click above my head. I'll give you all the links all the way through. If you don't know where they are, look in the description and look for them more, and you'll find all the links that I put in down in the description and pinned to the comments. I shall put all these videos you need to go and see: the Virgin Galactic, the Lucid, the Soundhound, everything else you need to go and see, plus the preparing for Liberation Day. Over here, I'll put 1, 2, 3 so you don't miss it. Guys, it's going to be a huge evening. I'm going to be up all night. I'm not going to sleep. I'm going to probably sleep in the studio tonight and bring you the best 24 hours of live streaming ever for the stock market. Get ready for Liberation Day. Woo! You could see Lucid become the new Tesla. It could happen, and it could happen tomorrow. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.